What is USDT0 Bridge? It's your gateway to seamless USDT swaps across multiple blockchains with low fees and faster speeds. Seamless cross-chain transfers, lower transaction fees, faster settlement times, no third-party bridge risks, one-to-one redeemable USDT, improved DeFi experience, no wrappers. Just direct, efficient transfers of stable value across chains. Swap USDT and USDT0 between Tron, Ethereum, Inc., Arbitrum, Ton, and Optimism, all inside UnityWallet. Ready to start? Open UnityWallet and head to the Services tab. Tap USDT0 Bridge. Select your source token. Select what you want to get in return. Enter the amount. Confirm the details. Tap Confirm. And you're done. USDT0 Bridge. Secure, fast, cheap, and frictionless. Only in UnityWallet. Crypto shouldn't be cryptic. Download today. UnityWallet.com.